Hi, and welcome to this quick tutorial on how to install the Mk9 CO2 Safety System correctly. Follow these 4 easy steps to ensure a correct installation. Before installing the system, it's always recommended to verify that the system works. As everything is delivered pre-connected in the box, testing is easily done by taking out the power supply out of the box, adding the appropriate plug, and connecting it to a power outlet. The system, if working properly, will start up and indicate with the sound and strobe light that it's working. We have now made sure that the safety system was working before the installation. You mount the central unit with the 2 included screws at eye height, clearly visible outside the CO2 danger zone, for example, in the manager's office. The CO2 sensor should be installed with the 2 included screws 12 inches, 30 centimeters above the floor within 15 feet, 5 meters of the CO2 source. You can use the markings on the outside of the box to easily find the correct installation height. The horn strobe should be installed above the CO2 sensor at a height of 7 to 8 feet, 2 to 2.4 meters. If the sensor is placed in an enclosed location, an extra horn strobe must be purchased and mounted above the entrance to the area. Route the cables in an orderly fashion. If possible, use cable ducts. Do not forget to mount the collar seals to keep dirt and water out of the connectors, and the plug lock to keep the power connection firmly in place. Place the what to do sign next to the central unit, the horn strobe sign next to the horn strobe, and the CO2 sensor sign in the direct proximity of the sensor. Remember to mount all signs in a permanent fashion. You might need to change the language of the central unit from the default English-Spanish or to adjust the height over the sea level to adapt to where the installation is situated. If not, your installation is complete and the system can be powered on. Please remember to do a function test of the system once a year. You will find the instructions on how to do this on our webpage under Knowledge Base. It is mandatory to monitor the power supply of a CO2 safety system according to the International Fire Code in the US. The power monitor is a battery-powered add-on kit from LogiCO2 that, with sound and light, alerts the personnel in case of a power failure to the safety system. The power monitor is easily installed by mounting the power monitor unit close to the central unit with the included screws and connect the pre-installed Cat5 cable to the central unit's extra output. This unit is sold separately. If you need to change the language on the central unit's display, you press and hold the reset button on the central unit as you power up the unit. Once the language menu appears on the central unit's display, release the reset button. Then shortly push the reset button to browse through the available languages. To save the chosen language, let go the reset button and wait for approximately 5 seconds. You have now changed the default language. If the installation is located above sea level, you need to compensate for the thinner air by adjusting the altitude setting on the sensor. Remove the sensor cover and locate the button below the bottom dip switch. Each press on this button adjusts the sensor for an additional 650 feet, 200 meters of installation elevation over sea level, and is shown on the display. A helpful height conversion table is available in the product manual. Congratulations! Your installation is now complete and can be powered on. If you're installing additional sensors, please refer to the multi-sensor tutorial. Together, we ensure a safe CO2 environment to work in. Thank you for your time.